Hello student, this is teacher Alvin. Today we're going to do revision for linear programming under 5 minutes. Question 16 is linear programming, so teacher have already written the 4 possibilities for the YouTube viewers. Okay, so you can actually copy this down in case you are not sure how to do linear programming. Okay, so by shading the unwanted regions of the grid, find and label the region R that satisfy the following inequalities. Alright, so they already given you 3 inequalities. I want you to assume that all of these like equal sign first. Okay, so let's do y equals to 5. So y equals to 5 is actually like this, and I'm going to draw a solid line because teacher can see an equal sign over here. So use your ruler. Okay, teacher don't have, so you're gonna use ruler and draw like this solid line, not a dash line. Okay, label y equals to 5. That's the graph line. Okay, now 2x plus y more or equal to 6, they have already drawn for us. Thank you so much. So we already settled one issue over here. Next graph that you have to draw is y equals to x plus 1. So in case you do not know how to see graph, you will have to plot a table. Okay, construct a table, and I need at least 2 coordinates, so fill up x, y. Let me write the equation first. Y equals to x plus 1. Alright, so from here, right, just randomly put a few numbers. I suggest you to put 0 first. So when x equals to 0, y is 1. So that's your first coordinate. X equals to 0, y is 1 here. Next step, I really depend on you, right? You can choose any number. I suggest you to put 2. So when x is 2, y is 3 in this case. So plot 2, 3. Fine. X is 2, y is 3 here. So when you find 2 coordinates already, you can draw a line upwards. Okay, that's your graph. So use your ruler once again and draw. Quite bad. Okay, use ruler, guys. I do not have, teacher don't have. Only got drawing tablet with me. Trying my best. Okay lah, not so bad. So this is y equals to x plus 1. Okay, so once you are done with the 3 graphs, right, let's follow the note. Y is less or equal to 5. So when you have a graph of here, y equals to 5 like this, then it's following this rule. Less is the bottom side. Okay, you want the bottom side, you don't want the top part. Actually, unwanted region is the more side, so you shade off the unwanted region on top. Okay, next graph is this graph. 2x plus y is more or equal to 6. So it's this line right here. You want the more region. So if you are getting a downward graph like this, more region is here. This one is your unwanted region. Shade it off. Okay, like Taylor Swift. Shake it off. Shade it off. Okay, next part. Y equals to x plus 1. So I already drew this graph right here. It's like slanting upwards. Okay, slanting upwards. So you want the more region, so definitely is the top part. The less part, you shade it off. Okay, Taylor Swift, shade it off. Everything, shade it off. Nicely lah, okay, shade it off. Right, so you have this region that you are wanting to have the label region R. Just follow the instruction. You want to label region R. Okay, so this working right here, right, I really suggest you to do it at the bottom here, the empty space here, to show like a working. How did I arrive to drawing the graph y equals to x plus 1? Okay, so I can see it's a 4 marks question. Make sure you shade properly also. Okay, so shade it off properly. Hey, thank you so much for tuning in to this revision episode. I'll see you in the next one. Alright, bye bye.